Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys phone reboot means restart full setting. How to restart Lava mobile friends? You want to restart your Lava mobile, so how to restart Lava mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, today we will restart Lava mobile with shortcut setting. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, in your Lava mobile, click here assistant setting. After an assistant setting, friends, you can see smart answer setting, three finger screenshot setting, one hand mode setting, lift to wake means raise to wake setting. Friends, click here accessibility setting. Accessibility menu shortcut setting, friends, click here and friends enable this setting on your Lava mobile. Allow option and guys setting will enable on your device. Remove your recent app, and friends on your Lava mobile you can see this three dot. So friends click here three dot, and friends you can see this type interface on your Lava phone device. Friends, you want to decrease brightness, you want to increase brightness, so friends click here, and friends you can decrease and you can increase phone brightness with shortcut setting. Friends, you want to increase volume, you want to decrease volume, you can increase, you can decrease volume on your Lava mobile. Friends, recent app you want to check. Example, friends, you own Instagram app, File app, Google app, Play Store app, and friends click here three dot recent app setting, and you can close your recent app. Friends, you want to take three finger screenshot, you cannot take three finger screenshot because three finger screenshot setting is off. So friends click here right side, you can take screenshot without three fingers. So friends again click here three dot power setting, restart setting, and friends you want to power off your phone, so friends you can power off your phone also. Tap here, you can power off phone. So friends we will restart phone, and friends automatic your Lava mobile will off, and friends automatic your Lava mobile on. Wait for only get 10 and 15 second, phone will on automatic. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So like that friends your phone automatic off, and friends your phone automatic on. Wait here. So friends now your phone will on. Swipe here, and friends now you can unlock your phone and you can use your phone. And friends you don't want to the shortcut setting, you want to remove this three button from your screen. So friends click here and off, and friends this three button will remove from here, and friends you cannot use Lava mobile shortcut setting. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to restart Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends.